In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix VALORANT error code when -79 in just few steps. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, you can click on that search and search for CMD. Open it and you have to type here net sh space int space ip space reset and click enter from your keyboard. After doing it, you will see here this resetting. Then you have to type here second prompt, which is net sh space winsock reset. Click enter. It will help you to reset the winsock catalog. Then you have to write the third prompt, which is ipconfig/flush DNS. Click enter and you will see here successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. After doing it, simply close that and click on that search and search for settings. Open it, open network and internet from here. Scroll it down, then open this advanced network settings where you will get here this network reset. Open it and simply you have to click on that reset now. It will help you to remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. So these were the two steps to fix VALORANT error code when -79 in just few steps.